Welcome to the channel. I am Brad with Fine Tune, and today we're going to show you guys how to replace your headlights on your F30. So these are actually LED headlights from eBay, and I think they're made in China, but these are actually super good headlights for this vehicle for an affordable price. I believe I paid like 600 bucks for these, and they have a really bright output on them. They have LED Hella chips in them, which is a name brand LED, and they give a really nice spread at night, and it just helps you see a lot better. These halogen headlights are absolutely terrible at night, and plus these ones look absolutely terrible on this car. So we'll get rid of these and we'll put these on, and we'll show you guys how to do it the quick and easy way. So the first step is you actually have to take off the wheels, so we already got that done. And then the next step is we have to remove this front wheel liner. So it's just a bunch of the 8 mils, and we'll take all these out right now. And we'll do the same exact thing for this other side here. And our next step will be to disconnect this ambient air temp sensor on the driver's side. You could just pull out, or you could undo the plug. And then you have to get down on the front here and take off the 8 mil bolts right here. So we already have the belly pan down, but you'll want to take off the 4 up front here. And that's everything that you need to do down below. And then the next step that you want to do is there's 2 longer 8 mil that go from the bumper up to the fender. So remove those 2. And we'll just do the same to the other side. And then now, if your vehicle is equipped with headlight washers, you'll have to disconnect this tube right here. So how this works is you just pull up on it and it releases the quick release. And then you'll want to situate this to where it's somewhere above the washer tank. That way it doesn't leak out on you. If you do have park sensors up front, there will also be a plug on this side that you have to remove. And the next step up here is to take off this weather stripping. Then underneath it, there will be all these bolts here. So these are T30s, and this one looks like a T25 on both the headlights. So we'll remove all those, and then once we do that, we should be able to pull the bumper off. Okay, we got those removed. This will just slide out here, and we'll pull the sides off. Another thing I forgot to mention is there's a couple tabs here that hold on the lower bumper that's just clipped in. If you yank it off, it should be good, or you can reach around and pull this up like this. And another thing is disconnect your fog lights as well. Okay, now we have access to the headlight, and there's only 4 bolts holding this whole entire headlight on. So for starters, there is a T30 up top here, right here. There is a couple more bolts back here. Down here we got one more T30. So we got one there, and then there's another one right there. And then there's actually one more bolt, and it looks like our headlight is broken, but it's this one right here. And I'm not able to hold that. And that's our 4th and final bolt. And then we have the headlight wiring harness, and it has 2 tabs on the side that you press in on both sides, and then you just wiggle it right out. And there's also the wiring harness clipped into the back of this thing. So you just have to remove that off the headlight. We got our 4 bolts removed and the wiring harness removed, so we could just take our headlight and take it out just like that. And before we actually put in this new headlight, we have to take a couple of components off this, like all these clips down here. So you just pull all these off and pull this one off the side, pull this clip off the top here, and don't forget their orientations. And we'll put them on in the same manner. And then reverse procedure, we'll put this bolt on. And then what I like to do is do a nice line, a fender line to the headlight. So instead of having a huge gap like that, we'll actually raise this up and make it nice and tight there. And we'll go ahead and tighten up this top bolt here and tighten up the bottoms right after. And the last step is taking your headlight plug and plugging in. Our headlight plug actually moved from over here to over there. So we'll just put this in here like that and then push it in. And then we'll do the exact same thing to this side over here. Okay, it's time to put this front bumper on. And yeah, this bumper is really nasty looking, but we actually have an M Sport bumper coming for this thing. So when you put the bumper on, you want to make sure to slide the bumper up here in that clip, which can be a little tricky. Here's one of them. You want to make sure it's in this clip, and then you want to make sure the bumper clips in the headlight right there. You're starting with the bumper to fender bolts, so we'll put those up in, get the bumper secured on the fender. The ambient temperature sensor back in. And then now we'll do the T30s and T25s on top. I'm just going to put in these not tight all the way because I want to make sure the bumper to hood line looks good. You can see over here it's a little tight, and then over here it's a little big, so we'll just suck up this gap over here like so and tighten it up like that. Alright, weather strip's on, we got a nice hood line here. And the final step to this is putting those wheel liners in, so we'll do that right now. Okay, we got the headlights all in, they're all plugged in, and as you can tell, we have the turning signals flickering right here. And that's because on the previous headlight, there was the turn signal bulb that would stay illuminated when you drive. So we have to turn that off with Pro Tool, and we also have to tell the vehicle that it has LED headlights on it now. So let's do that right now. So we'll go to the FEM module, and then we'll go to coding, edit coding. And then we want to code in these headlights here. So on bulb check for the front turn signals, we'll code them to LED. And then the high beams to LED. The low beams will be to LED. The front turning signals, LED. And then we will code in the side markers. Side marker. And then we'll turn those off. Turn off front amber side markers. Confirm. And then this is for the other side. We'll code it off as well. And then we'll finalize the coding. And then now we should have those side markers off on the front, and everything in the front should be happy. Yeah, those look great. High beams, turning signal. Cool. And that's all you need to do for coding. And that is exactly how you replace your terrible halogen headlights with some nice LEDs. Thanks for watching, guys.